Hey everyone, welcome to Quickie. This channel will be your go-to place for learning about new technology. We will be regularly sharing videos on cool stuff like AI, cloud, data analytics, augmented reality, virtual reality, cybersecurity, and blockchain. Let's start with AI today. Human beings can see, talk, think, and react. Similarly, a machine that is artificially intelligent is also made capable of seeing, talking, and react or respond post thinking like human being by using four major concepts of AI. They are machine learning, NLP, computer vision, and neural networks. I will be explaining each of them in simple terms one by one. Now let's imagine a world where machines can understand and interpret information, much like we do. This is made possible through a technique called machine learning. Think of it as teaching a computer by showing it examples rather than giving it direct orders. For instance, think about a facial recognition app that learns to recognize your friends' faces from the photos that is being provided to the system. The more picture it sees, the better it becomes at recognizing them automatically. Here, our pictures serves as the examples for the machines to get trained. It's like having a smart friend who learns from experience. In the world of machine learning, we have different types of machine learning like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and deep learning. These are like different tools in a toolbox, each with its own unique way of helping computers to learn and improve. Now, let's talk about natural language processing, which we call it as NLP. Have you ever wondered how your virtual assistants or chatbots understand what you're saying? That's because of NLP. NLP enables computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. Think of it as teaching a computer to speak our own native language in a fluent manner. With NLP, computers can actually analyze text, understand its meaning, and even generate human-like responses. It's like having a conversation with a friend who understands everything you say. Now, let's understand what is computer vision. Imagine if machines could see and understand the world around them just like we do. That's exactly what computer vision does. It enables machines to analyze and interpret visual information from images and videos. For example, self-driving cars use computer vision to recognize objects like traffic signs and pedestrians, making our road travels safer. It's like giving machines the gift of sight, allowing them to navigate the world with ease. Finally, let's dive into neural networks. These are like the brains of AI system, which is used for training an AI system to think, learn, and make decisions. You see, neural networks are inspired by the structure of our human brain. Like the way we have interconnected neurons internal to our brain, there are many interconnected nodes called functions working at the back end in the form of algorithmic codes to process and transmit information in a neural network setup. I know it is very difficult to understand the concept of neural network in the first attempt. Let me simplify it for you. Imagine you're teaching a robot to recognize different animals in pictures. Neural networks are like the brains of this robot. Neural networks have many numerical functions that help the robot understand what it is actually seeing. Now these numerical functions are like the little helpers in the robot's brain. They look at different parts of the animal in the picture that has been provided to the system, like its shape, color, and pattern. Then they work together to decide what animal it is. But here's the cool part. These numerical functions are already packaged as pre-coded libraries in Python and are ready for use in building AI applications. Hence, we can actually adjust how these numerical functions work. We can ask the numerical functions to pay more attention to certain features. like the stripes of a tiger or the spots on a giraffe, for better recognition. This helps the robot get trained better at recognizing animals over a period of time. Through a process of trial and error, neural networks learn from data and improve over time. It's like teaching a computer to think and learn independently, much like we do. So, for any system to see, speak, or think like us, it needs good training with neural networks. Alright, that's all for now. I hope you got the hang of AI fundamentals today. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're eager to kickstart your career in AI but feeling unsure where to start, don't worry. Check out our ebook, which is AI Empowered from Concepts to Career, tailored just for you. Simply click the UPI payment link given below to grab your copy. After payment, share the screenshot to our WhatsApp number, which is 9150337442, and receive your ebook directly to your inbox. Get ready for more AI insights in the upcoming weeks as we are going to cover various topics in detail. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this content and subscribe to our channel for more simplified explanations about AI. Thank you. Have a nice day.